Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Ensure Windows is installed in UEFI mode and CSM is disabled, because Secure Boot only works in UEFI. Update your Asus UEFI firmware to the latest revision to avoid compatibility bugs. Create a full backup and a Windows recovery USB in case you need to roll back. Once done, reboot and enter the UEFI using Delete or F2, and prepare to switch Secure Boot settings. Do not skip the firmware update, it prevents key errors. You now move into the Secure Boot configuration area inside the UEFI. Set the OS type to Windows UEFI to let the firmware load Microsoft keys automatically. This is simplest and avoids manual key management. If the option reads Custom, switch to Install Default Keys or Enroll the Platform Key, PK, and Key Exchange Keys, KEK, only if you understand key management. Make sure CSM remains off, then save changes. Reboot once keys are installed, so the OS recognizes the new Secure Boot state. You finish by saving UEFI changes and booting into Windows. Open System Information and verify Secure Boot state reports on. If it's not enabled, reboot back into UEFI, reinstall default Secure Boot keys, or reflash the firmware to correct corrupt variables. Make sure your boot drive is GPT, not MBR, because Secure Boot requires GPT. Convert if necessary. If Windows fails to boot, disable newly installed unsigned drivers. Clear and reinitialize TPM carefully, or restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.